they are. I don't know. I haven't seen the web.
Number 322. You both were members of Skull and Bones, a secret society at Yale. What does that tell us?
Not much, because it's a secret.
I don't know who it has yet, because it's secret.
Well, you said it in your testimony.
Why would he have
That's
to
what
have
you're
a
saying.
secret analysis of climate change?
If I had my eyes closed, I would swear to you that I was touching something with the end of this pen right now.
Certainly there is some effect of humans on climate, and we have to try to find out what it is.